Installing the EzyJamb Inswing. Confirm that all relevant sections, instructions, and hardware accessories are included with the packaged door jamb. Check opening dimensions, cross-referencing with size guidelines. Ensure EzyJamb sizing and details accommodate the opening. Check opening is level and square. Measure, mark, and cut out position for strike plate on the closing side of the opening. If installing RocYork concealed hinges, also create these cutouts now on the hinge side of the opening. Fit head jamb into the opening, slipping it over the wall penetration. Fit hinge side stile, using the fixing tabs to connect with head jamb. Fit as tightly against the stud as possible, making any necessary adjustments for a level finish. Follow the same process to fit the closing side stile. Check jambs are level and square before fixing, ensuring that opening width between stiles remains consistent all the way up the jamb. Fasten stiles and header. Double screw at ends and beside hinge positions, and screw every 8 inches or 200 millimeters up the stile, alternating from one side of the jamb to the other. Install the strike plate with the dust box underneath and fixed with the screws provided. Verify all jambs are level and evenly spaced. Prepare hinges and door, including a cutout along the header and vertical sides of the door to accommodate the lip of the door jamb. Hang the door to test its correct fit in the opening. Given correct fit, remove the door with the jamb now ready to be taped and mudded in. EzyJamb Flush Finish Door Frames.